Hello learners, I am Anubhuti Singh from KEA Shroff College, Mumbai. Today in this video lecture I am going to talk about the ranking method for performance appraisal. Let's get started. Let's see what this lecture will cover. If you've seen my previous lectures, video lectures, you must have seen that I've talked about some methods of performance appraisal. There are a number of different methods in the books. You might be seeing that there are traditional methods and there are modern methods of performance appraisal. So today we are going to talk about one of the traditional methods of performance appraisal, and that is the ranking method. So let's see what is the ranking method. As you all know, rank means what? When we are comparing people, we rank them. So basically the ranking method is the comparison of one employee with the other employees. That is the way we are using the ranking method for performance appraisal. So in the ranking method, the one who gets the first rank is considered to be the best, and the others who are getting lower ranks, they are then compared to the first ranker, they are considered to be performing lesser than the best one. The evaluator ranks employees from high to low on a particular factor. That means we first of all decide the factor on which the employees have to be ranked, and then these factors can be various performance criteria, which can be something like punctuality, leadership skills, technical expertise. So these can be the criteria on a particular or on a particular factor. Various employees are ranked or compared in the ranking method. And sometimes there can be one rater or one appraiser, or there can be more than one appraiser or one evaluator also. In such a case, average is to be considered. So let us take an example and see. In this table you can see there are 5 employees, Ramesh, Suresh, Adesh, Rakesh and Pritesh, who have to be judged or who have to be evaluated using the ranking method. There are 3 judges or the 3 evaluators, and they have given rankings to these 5 employees on a particular factor. This factor can be anything. This is just a fictitious table, so let us consider this factor to be on punctuality. So the first judge has ranked Adesh as the first one, so he is very, very punctual. Then Ramesh is the next one, so second rank. Then Rakesh third, fourth is Suresh, and fifth is Pritesh. In this way, if we see, all the 3 judges have ranked these 5 employees on a particular factor, and seeing this we can easily see that Adesh has got first rank by 2 judges and second rank by the third judge. And in the same way, Pritesh has got 5th rank or the last rank by 2 judges and 4th rank by the third judge. In this case, because there are 3 judges, we can average their ranks, and then through the averages we can actually decide who stands first or who is the best performer and who's not so good performer. So this way ranking method can be used. Now let us see what are the positives of the ranking method. The best part is that it is very easy to administer, but there are many things which form the flip side of the ranking method. First of all, it is very difficult when the number of employees are increased. So more employees, it will be very difficult. We have just seen 5 employees, fine, but imagine 15 employees, 20 employees, or more than that. It will be difficult to rank them properly. The other thing is, it is difficult to assess the middle rankers. If there are 15-20 employees also, imagine we will be able to get who are better performers, we will be able to get who are not good performers, but the middle rankers will not be very easy to assess, because you will not come to know who performs better than the other. So it will be too haphazard for the middle rankers. And the third thing is that it is only a relative comparison. Means what? That we come to know that yes, one is performing better than the other, but how much better, that this method is not able to tell. So these are the problems with the ranking method. I hope this video has helped you in understanding ranking method in a better way. Thank you.